Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to change your Chrome themes to something beautiful, something that you love. So we are first going to see how to update your Chrome. So we're going to be going to settings and you go to about Chrome. So it checks for your updates of Chrome and updates or shows you that it's up to date. So moving on, open a new tab and we're going to go to Chrome settings of Chrome. So you're going to look for appearance. It's the fourth option, so you tap on that and we go to theme. So there's other themes that you can choose from. We have dark and black themes. We have color themes by Chrome, Black Artist Collection. We have Latino Artist Collections, the Like Animals, the Art Gallery. Oh, this one is so amazing. I think I'm going to choose that one. But moving on, we have a splash of color, Into the Forest. These ones look amazing. We have pretty patterns. We have cool rides. So those who are car lovers, this is for you. So we have something blue. Those who love blue, let the sun shine in. Chrome in full bloom. So there's quite a number of themes. Cards of Chrome. So you can choose any of these themes. All of them are so free. So we have doodles, we have mountain gateways, we have enchanting places, pink parties. Oh, we have up to the sky, we have love, dogs, we have themes for foodies, we have sports corners. Quite a number. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to choose the scarf. So we're going to first see how this looks like. So if you want, you go to view all and it brings all the themes in this category. So these are the car themes that this collection has, and we're going to be choosing the second one. So all you have to do is tap in it and tap in any that you want to choose, and then you can just go to Chrome. So as it's checking, it's downloading. As you can see here, it's downloading this. So waiting for it to download. After it finishes downloading, it says add to Chrome. So add it to Chrome. So going back, this is how it looks like. It's so red, and those of you who love red can go up with this theme. Totally fine, but I'm not fine with this red. So we're going to be choosing something else. So I'm going to go back and delete this. So there is this option of undo, so it takes it away. So I have this one, you know the process. So I'm downloading it currently, so you know the overall process. Tap on it and download. So add it to Chrome, and yes, this is so amazing. Like, oh my god, look at this. It's so pretty. It's amazing. It looks great. I mean, it looks amazing. It looks awesome. Like, wow. Wow. So this is how it looks. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me go to something like YouTube. Let's see what it looks like. I don't think anything changes. I think what changes is just the I prepared. Oh, I think it's amazing. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great. I love it already. I love it already. I love it. This was amazing. This was awesome. Like, this chicken. Oh, how cool. I love it. I didn't know, but it was so pretty. Like, wow, 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 wow. Yes, so you can choose from a various number of these pins are amazing. I love them. I love them. All of them. All of them. All of them. Wow, pink ladies, here you guys. Pink girls and boys, Monarch, here you are. Oh, it's gonna be cute, really. Dog lovers. Aww. So funny. So amazing. Oh my god. Wow, look at that.